I wanted to fucking win that.
Swerte lang si Pacquiao. Ito ang tugon ni Brandon Rios sa laban nila noon.
I wasn't really training as well because
Boxing fans, maligayang pagbabalik. Ang Pacquiao-Rios fight noon ay isang napaka-importanting fight sa kasaysayan ng Pacquiao. Dahil bago ang laban, pinapasyal ni Marquez si Pacquiao sa ibang dimensyon sa pinakamakamandag na suntok na tinanggap ni Pacman. Exactly 11 months and 15 days pagkatapos nito, kinalaban ni Pacquiao si Brandon Bam Rios. Si Bam Rios ay isa sa mga kilalang boxer na may iron chin at walang atrasang estilo.
I don't feel bad for my opponents in the ring. I don't give about them in the ring. They're my enemies. I want to try to hurt them. I want to try to do anything I can to get them out.
Pero bakit parang may kulang sa kanya noon nung naglaban sila ni Pacquiao sa Macau at merong dahilan kung bakit parang wala siya sa kanyang sarili? At sasabihin din niya kung bakit siya laging nakangiti nung naglaban sila ni Pacquiao. At ilalahad niya sa atin ang mga detalye sa isang bagong interview. Wala namang duda na si Pacman ang isa sa mga pinakamalakas na welterweight sa kasaysayan. Pero nang tinanong si Rios, sino ang pinakamalakas na nakatama sa kanya, iba ang kanyang sagot.
it wasn't my early careers though. His name was Joel Ortega. He hit me with the body shot, bro. It hurt so fucking bad, dude. It just couldn't. Oh, dude, it just knocked me down. It was my early career.
Isang body shot na di makakalimutan ni Rios. Ito ang suntok na pinakawalan ni Joel Ortega sa kanya.
And that was the only one. And he was a lefty. It got me really hard, bro, and it's just fucking, I went down. And then I barely beat the count when I got up, dude. I got up at 9.
At kahit si Rios, aminadong malapit pa siyang manknockout. Buti na lang, nakatayo siya bago mag-10 bilang.
De Ortega, la mandíbula de Brandon Rios, excelente la izquierda. Que le sacó el aire con el golpe bajo. Quitando a la lona por primera vez a Brandon Rios.
Ngunit may sorpresa ito sa kalaban.
And then it was funny because the ref came up to me, "Are you okay?" I'm like, he just let it go on, dude, and then I fucking knocked him out the next round.
May amnesia nga lang itong si Rios dahil hindi next round kundi sa round 5 niya pinabagsak si Joel Ortega.
Recuerda cuando se lastimó la nuca. Llegó otra vez la mano y ahora a la izquierda por parte de Brandon Rios. Y Raúl cae. Lo dijimos en el boxeo, las cosas cambian de un momento a otro. Brandon
At
Rios.
kung mapagmasid kayo, makikita nyong tawa ng tawa si Rios sa fight nila ni Pacquiao. Bakit? Ito ang sagot.
You were notorious for smiling at your opponents. What was going through your mind? Because it seems to me like when I'm watching a Brandon Rios fight, the fight don't start. This fool starts smiling. What the fuck is going through your mind, fool? When somebody cracks you real good, and you started that smile,
Bro, it's for me. It was like, fuck, I fucked up. You got me. Yeah. You got me on that one, dude. You know what I mean? Fuck, I fucked up. So, woo.
Buwang man o hindi, kayo na ang umusga. Sa bawat sandali na natatamaan si Rios, natatawa siya dahil nga natatamaan ito. At sa laban kay Pacquiao, it is safe to say that Rios was all smiles nung araw na yon. Pero bakit nga ba di nasaktan ni Rios si Pacquiao na kahit isang beses man lamang?
And so, when I went out there, my mind wasn't there 100%. And not only that, but I fought in a different country, in China, and the time zone was so different.
where that fight was at?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right.
Tatlong dahilan. Ito ang isasaad ni Rios sa atin. Ang una, ang jet lag.
Fought over there at 10 in the morning, and it was nighttime here. And I couldn't really, adjust. I couldn't really adjust to that time. And I went out 2 weeks before. I thought that'd be enough time, but I should have went out there a little bit longer.
Ang jet lag ay ang pakiramdam ng pagod kapag mabilis kang naglakbay sa ibang lugar na may malaking pagkakaiba sa oras ng bansa mo. Nalilito ang internal na orasan ng katawan dahil nga hindi tugma ang bagong oras sa nakasanayan mong tulog at gising.
So you think they use that as an advantage? Because isn't like where's Pacquiao from? He's
Philippines.
like so is he more closer to his time range over there?
So they're used to that time zone.
Kung nakikinig kayo, ang sabi niya, 2 linggo bago ang fight, nasa Macau na siya. Sapat na ba ang 2 linggo para mawala ang jet lag? Ano sa tingin nyo?
Is it like a strategy, you think?
No,
I think it was just a payday over there.
not
The
part
venue,
of, they probably offered more to be out there, so
Yeah.
that's why he went out
Yeah.
there.
Oh,
Aminado naman pala si Rios na dahil sa pera kaya pumunta siya sa Macau upang kalabanin si Pacquiao. Ano naman ang ikalawang dahilan niya?
What was the biggest surprise of fighting Pacquiao that you weren't as ready for, you think?
One thing, it was the lefty.
Kung naaalala nyo kanina, kaliwete din ang nakatumbas sa kanya nung baguhan pa lang si Rios sa boxing.
For me, I always had trouble with southpaw because it's very awkward. That and his awkwardness.
Ang pagiging kaliwete, awkward, at ang bilis ni Pacquiao na para bang cartoons ito, nawari ang daming kalaban ni Rios sa loob ng ring.
Getting frustrated, huh?
Yeah, and he's just fucking like he
jumped around a lot.
1 minute he's in front of you, next minute he's like, what the fuck? He's like, I want a million that thing.
Ngunit umaasa ba siyang mapapagod si Pacquiao sa bilis nito?
You hoping that, all right, this guy's gonna slow down eventually. He's gonna slow down. He just
No, not really, because I already know.
You kinda
I've
know
been
it,
watching, and I know these motherfuckers have energy for days.
yeah, bro. And I give up props for that when he took your fight right after he got knocked out by
Kiss.
so toe to toe with the best, bro.
All round.
And say that, yeah, who gets to say that, bro?
I didn't get knocked down or nothing.
Alam ni Rios na hindi napapagod si Pacquiao. At dito na rin siya dinamayan ng host nang sabi, "You did not get knocked down." Tila ba sinasabi nila na isang panalo na ang makakompleto ng 12 rounds kay Pacquiao?
You know that, bro? But to me, I was just ashamed of myself.
Oh no, I hear you now.
Because I was ashamed of myself, bro, because I could do better. I wanted to fucking win that.
I bet.
It would have been superstardom, but you know what? At the end of the day, I don't really give a fuck about all that fame shit, stuff like that. That's
Right.
not me, bro. That's not who I am. I'm still the humble guy that from the streets. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? I grew up poor. I'm still poor.
That's right.
Hindi naman nakafocus si Rios sa pagiging sikat kung manalo man siya kay Pacman. Dahil nga, gaya ng sabi niya, hindi ito ang karakter niya. Ngunit sa ikatlong dahilan niya kung bakit natalo siya kay Pacquiao, masasabi nating ito ay konting seryoso. Bakit? Ating dinggin.
You made it to the pinnacle of any boxing career. You had a pay-per-view Manny Pacquiao. That was millions upon millions of people watching you. The stadium is packed. You're telling me when you were walking in there at that point,
I'm just focused, bro.
And you went all 12 rounds with that fight.
But see, in that fight too, I wasn't really training as well. It's stupid, bro. I had to go serve time in jail before that fight, bro. So my mind was all fucked up.
Si Brandon Rios ay nakulong bago pa man naganap ang Pacquiao fight. At ito ang kauna-unahang pag-amin niya sa madla sa estado ng kanyang kaisipan during the fight. Ngunit ang tanong, ilang araw siya nakulong?
I was on probation, dude, and I've been on probation for so long. And I think like a month or 2 months before that fight, bro, I had to go serve 30 days in jail. And dude, and it fucking sucked because I wasn't too busy focusing on the fight.
course
you know what I
not,
mean?
yeah.
And all those obstacles fucking trying to get in there and shit like that.
30 araw siya nakulong. At nung ni-research ng channel na ito kung may aresto nga ba si Brandon Rios days before the Pacquiao fight, wala tayong makita. Ngunit ayon sa pagsasaliksik natin, ang mga krimen na may parusang 30 araw ng pagkakakulong ay karaniwang hindi gaanong mabigat. Kayo, sa tingin nyo ba ay mag-iiba ang resulta kung hindi nakulong si Rios bago ang laban niya kay Pacquiao?
It felt like I was fighting 3 Pacquiaos. He was so fast.
Ating alalahanin, ito ang unang beses na naglaban si Pacman pagkatapos ng Marquez fight. May chance ba ang focus na Brandon Rios sa recently knockout na Pacquiao? Ipahayag ang saloobin sa baba. At kung na-enjoy nyo ang revelasyong ito, pakisuntok sa like and subscribe for more boxing stories. Salamat, kaboxing tayo!
Boxing.